the ceremony of the ninja! Now let's welcome the heroes of the merged realms! We are so happy to have you all here today at our ceremony. Raise your hand if you've been training hard today while following the path of the ninja. And now, here we are to unite as one and celebrate your accomplishments. Training is not an easy task. It requires virtues like strength, life, and energy. The challenges you'll face in the merged realms will test you more than training will. Elemental monsters lurk around every corner, and you may be called upon to help save the day. So, are you all ready to complete your training today? Well, let's test your training first. Young ninjas in training, step forward and join us. Don't be shy. Now repeat after us. First lean and dodge your turn.
Lean and dodge.
Then step, 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 kick you.
Step, 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 kick.
Now punch and block your turn.
Punch and block.
Then spin jitsu.
Spin jitsu.
Great job. You think you have that? Good. Let's do it faster and all together now. Grown up ninjas too. Here we go. Lean and dodge.
Step, step, step.
That's it.
Punch and block.
Spin jitsu. One more time.
Lean and dodge. Step, step, step.
Keep it going.
Punch and block. Spin jitsu.
Very good. But ninja like to have fun with dance moves sometimes too. Watch our moves, then repeat after us. Now your turn. Watch this. You go. Here's another. Now you. Last one. That's it. Now show us your favorite ninja dance moves. That's it. Keep going! And strike! Pose! That was impressive! You may return to your grown-up ninja now. You are well on your way to reaching your true potential. Raise your hand if you collected stickers along the path of the ninja today. Is there anyone who collected all of the stickers? Wonderful! That's quite all right if you've only collected a few. Most ninja only ever master their talents with one elemental power. For over 100 generations, the elemental powers have been passed down to those few ninja worthy of protecting the realms from the many forces of evil. Today, we honor them with the dance of the elements. Fire, a blazing heat only for the most courageous. Kai is the elemental master of fire. Lightning! Shocking and unpredictable. Jay has mastered the element of lightning. Nvidea has mastered this element that is both adaptable and fluid, the element of water. Both stable and unyielding. Only a ninja like Cole could harness rock and stone. Ice. Zane has mastered this harsh and unforgiving elemental power. There are many more elements a ninja may find power within, such as wind, heat, or technology. But some along the way fall to darkness and the elemental essence of destruction. But what is dark without light? We must unite and use our elemental powers within to fight the evil around us! Elemental power can come from within yourselves, just like it does for an elemental dragon or an elemental master. Your powers will lead the way, as they have for many others before you. But use them carefully. Now it's time to close this ceremony today with our ninja oath. Place your hands like this and repeat after us. I promise to honor the dragon, to reach beyond myself, to unite as one, to protect the merged realms, and to always go full ninja! You have all earned your rightful place in our family of Ninjago Ninja. Continue your journey and go forth with strength, life, and energy! Ninjago!